You would never think that this big of a couch would come in that box, but it did. All right, so we got a sofa in the box, and it says unique something or other. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys how to put this thing together. So these look like the sides of the couch, right? And this is the hardware. And then over here we've got more pieces. And these are pillows that expand when we open them up. And we've got the front and the back. But I think we may have to look at the directions just to make sure we put it together right. So anyway, this has got the team assembly recommended. Step one, we want to pull these pillows out of here. So there's a pillow there, and there's another one in there. So these here are inflatable ones. You follow me? So that's going to be inflated. Over here you got one of these pillows all smushed in there. Put that over there. It's amazing that they could actually get all of this stuff in here. And here's the inflatable one. So I'm going to set the inflatable one over here like that, because I've got all the inflatable ones here. And we'll inflate those all at once. But we got to get to this stuff first. You know what I mean? I got to be able to get to those, because this is the bottom part. All right, let's grab this other inflatable. And we'll stick it over here. So now we've got one, two of those. So we got two of those, and we got two of those. All right, so the next step is we got to put the shoes on these bad boys. So let's go ahead and let's do that. So you can see this is going to be the inside of it right here. I don't know what that is, why that's on there. They've got this. Oh, maybe that's just a covering there. All right, so you see there's these connectors here, connector here, connector there. So that's got to go to the inside. Same thing with this one. So let's set this over here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to spread it out like this so that we know what we're doing. So I moved this couch back and I set these up here, and they're about this width of that. So next we got to open this up and look and see what's inside. All right, so let's take a look in here. Supposedly we've got our feet in here. So we've got this one. I think this one goes in the center. So let's put that to the side. And then all of these go on here. So you can see, look, pretty big thing here. You got to take this little nub off of it. So let's go ahead and we'll just get them all ready. Get them out of their prophylactics. You know what I mean, jelly beans? And yeah, that one came out good. And this one. Okay, so that's all of our feet. And this should be pretty simple. We just gotta screw them on. I mean, it's no big whoop, right? So let's go ahead, we'll do this one first. And basically, I'm just gonna, whoops. I'm gonna keep that there. And there's our hole right there, right? So I just gotta get in the hole. And then I just gotta go righty-tighty until it gets tight. And I'm gonna go to right about there. I think that's gonna work. Let's get one on the other side. Oh, a little bit more. Wonder if I can get it. There we go. Okay, that's that. All right, so now I can flip this over. And I think this is gonna be the back part. So I wanna put it like this. I wanna set it like that. I'm just gonna set it against the couch there. And let's put these bad boys on. Okay, getting them on there. And basically, I'm just doing this by hand. You know what I mean, jelly beans? My Uncle Bob would love this. I mean, you can get as tight as you want, but I think I'm just gonna go to there. I think that's pretty good, right? So now I'm just gonna flip this bad boy over. Just like this. It follows me. And then I'm gonna set it there, because here's this thing is on the same level as this one. So now I think I can put it all together pretty good, you know what I mean? Now that piece goes over here on this other thing. So I'm gonna set it in front for now. Oh, lost my little doohickey. Okay, all right, next part. I do believe that's the front piece there, because I think it goes on here. And I believe that this is the back piece here. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Okay, directions. All right, so I would believe that these, if you look at them, let me show you. You see how this is right here? So this has to slide down into it. So I think we have to put it on like this. I would believe like this. You follow me? So that this, you put it in and then it slips into that catch. Otherwise, that wouldn't make any sense to me. So let's try that. I need to get this so it slides in there like that, right? So I'm just gonna get it on there. Okay, so I do believe I've got to lift this, get a better eye view on it. And then, so it's got to slide in there like that. Oh, got it, I got it. Look at that, we got it. All right, so that's how that works. See how that slipped in? So I had to push it in and then pop it down. And it's black, so it's hard to see. But let's go over here on the other side. All right, so you see these little bubbles here? I got to slide it on and then push it down. And this, you can see I come up, and I may have to manipulate this a little bit so that I can slide it in there. Yeah, there we go, and then down. You follow me? Then down. That's it. This is how it sets in there. You see how that's in there like that? So I had to slide it in and then push her down. Same thing on this side. Slided it in and pushed it down. And that's that. Now we've got to do this back one over here. So I've got to kind of move this whole thing over so that we can do that. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Without dislodging it. So I'm going to kind of just go like nice and easy, like that. So this is our other piece here. And you can see how it goes in. Let me show you. You see how this is? So that's got to slide into this little thing here. It kind of like slides in there. So what you've got to do is you've got to kind of like angle it. And you got to kind of do it, both of them at the same time. So I'm just going to try to get, it just partially started like that. You follow me? And then I'm going to come over here and see if I can get this one a little bit. Got to push that out. And then I've got to come in, oops, come in there like that. And then I just got to give it a tap. That's in. And then I got to tap this side. And that one's in, I do believe. I think we're good. And this is all Velcro here. And this is like a lip that's going to rest on, and then I guess something will sit on that, apparently. Whew! All right, we're doing good. Now we've got these two gigantic pieces of something, you know what I mean? And then this will sit down in the middle right there, and I've got to put this doohickey right here, this thing in the middle of this. All right, so this is going to be the front support on this. So I've got to get it right in there, and then I'm going to screw it in. Follows me? Almost there. Oh man, that's taking forever. You would think it was starting to tighten. Yeah, there we go. It's getting a little nervous there. I always thought it was stripped. All right, so that's that. So now that's going to have to sit right in the front there, and this is going to be the back. So let's take a look at these two pieces. So this lays down there. I got to get this out of there because that ain't going to work. And then this other piece, I guess, slides in there from what I would imagine. And these are going to pop right into those little spots right there. You follow me? So you see this area here. Oh, that thing's sticking out in that area. So this is where these parts are going to go in. And that's the front of it, I believe. If I'm mistaken, this part is going to be in the back. So let's slide this over because this will be one of the last things we put on there. So this right here is going to go right in here. All right. And we've got to get it to slide into those spots there. And then I think the Velcro is going to grab it as it goes down. And yeah, I think that's what we got to do. So this is going to be a little tricky because I've got to do that. Let me set it right here for just right now. All right, so anyway, I've got to lift this up and I've got to slide it into these slots, the B slots. And this has to be over here. I think I'm going to get it kind of like on this lip, get me a little idea of where I've got to be. And then I'm just going to set her down and see if I get close to being in those spots. Okay, I'm good on this side. And I think I missed it over here. Now I think I'm good. That's it right there. Check that out. I got it. All right, let me show you what I did. I got lucky, right? I got right in there. You see that? Right there? That goes right in there. That one went in there. I got them all in. I didn't even need any help. Right there. Right there. So that slipped in, that's good. Now we got to slip these things in here. So that should be interesting, right? See if that's possible for me to do. All right, I'm going to go from back here. All right, so anyway, check it out. You see this? These are the things that got to slide in there. So I got to slide it this way with this dark area forward. So that's what we're going to try to do now. So here we go. See if I can get it. So there's one. Just want to get it started. Got that one started. You see? Right there. Okay, now let's see if we can get this one. I'm trying to film and start this thing at the same time. So anyway, see that? I'm in. So now I just got to push it down. All right, pull these out. All right, leave that like that. All right, so now this will go down. Let's pull these. And then this is just going to slide down like that. I think I'm in. Let me see. Yep, I'm all the way in. That's good. Now we can get our Velcro on here like that, but we got to pull this off. You see that? So now we're going to Velcro this all the way down, just like that. Okay, come over here on this side. Oh yeah, got to get this off. Okay, now we're going to pull this over and lock it in, just like that. Bam, done. And this can go right on, I guess it could go right there. You follow me? So that's, you know, kind of giving it some tension. All right, so this is our job so far. Man, we're doing a good job. All right, now we got to inflate these things. So let's do that. Let's pull them over. Set them here. Yeah. All right, now you guys get to see this. Okay, so when I puncture this, it should inflate. You follow me? There it goes. Crazy, right? Just like that. Bam, done. All right, let's get that out of there. Next one. Try not to make a hole in the thing. There it goes. Woo! Not bad, huh? Okay. We got two more things to inflate. So first, let's open it. Okay. Roll her out. And I think I got a hole here. There she goes. Inflation. Not bad, huh? All right, so put that one over there. Now we've got to do this one, right? Yeah, same thing here. There it goes. Inflation. Done. Inflate it. We got to put our pillows on our couch, right? So let's go. I think that these are in the back, right? So they probably go like this. But I think I got to put the other ones in first. So those go on last. So we got to get these. All right, and so there's a zipper on them. So that's the bottom, right? All right, here we go. Putting it together. That's one. Here comes two. Now these go on top. Here. And this one goes here. Couch in a box. You would never think that this big of a couch would come in that box, but it did. And look at it. It looks pretty good. I think I did a good job. All right, let's test this bad boy out. Okay. All right, you guys just got to chill out here. Wait a minute. Where's my pillows at? Where's my other pillow? Woohoo! Oh yeah, this is good. Woohoo! All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on putting together couches. Peace out.